How much should you actually spend on a Samsung Galaxy Smarttag Plus? It's confusing, right? Some are cheap, others seem overpriced, but you want to know which ones are actually worth your money. Product number 1, BIQIRE 4-pack silicone cases. First up is the BIQIRE 4-pack compatible for Samsung Galaxy Smarttag 2 case cover. Priced at just $9.50, this caught my eye for its vibrant color options: white, blue, green, and rose red. If you want affordable protection for your Smarttag 2, this is worth a serious look. They're made from high-quality silicone, so they resist scratches and shocks, ensuring your device stays safe during all your adventures. The full wraparound design means it's protected from dust and scratches, while precise cutouts ensure that sound and signal aren't affected. With a 4.6-star rating from over 673 reviews, people seem genuinely happy with their purchase. Now, some folks mention that the colors may wear off after extended use. Here's the thing, though, if you're looking for a budget-friendly way to keep your Smarttag 2 secure, this minor issue shouldn't deter you. This is perfect for you if you have multiple Smarttags that need protection, but skip it if you want something more premium or stylish. Now, if the idea of a simple case isn't enough for you, let's check out something a bit more advanced. Product number 2, Samsung Galaxy Smarttag 2 4-pack. Next, we have the Samsung Galaxy Smarttag 2, available in a convenient 4-pack for $69.99. This version really caught my attention because it's packed with features that genuinely make tracking your belongings hassle-free. With a battery life of up to 500 days, you won't be scrambling to replace batteries. The SmartThings Find feature is intuitive, allowing you to track your items right from your smartphone. You can even activate a sound alert when you misplace something. With a whopping 4.4-star rating from nearly 12,000 reviews, it's clear that this product has a solid reputation. However, some users reported that the tracking can be a bit spotty in congested areas. This is perfect for you if you frequently misplace your keys or luggage. Skip it if you only need a tracker for a single item, as the 4-pack might be more than you need. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for single-item tracking. Product number 3, Samsung Galaxy Smarttag 2 Single Pack. Coming in at $23.99, we have the Samsung Galaxy Smarttag 2 in a single pack, available in sleek black. This is a fantastic option if you just need one reliable tracker without breaking the bank. Just like its multi-pack counterpart, it boasts a battery life of around 500 days and is also IP67 rated for dust and water resistance. The Search Nearby feature is especially useful, guiding you right to your lost item with a compass view. It's perfect for keeping track of your wallet or pet. With the same 4.4-star rating as the previous model, it's clear that users appreciate what this tag can do. One downside, you'll need to buy a battery separately as it doesn't come included. However, considering how long the battery lasts, it's a minor inconvenience and you can easily find replacements. This is perfect for you if you just want a single, effective tracker for essential items. Skip it if you're looking for multiple trackers at once, as the 4-pack offers better value for money. Now, if the single tracker isn't quite what you're after, let's move on to something that adds a bit of style to your Smarttag. Product number 4, Samsung Galaxy Smarttag 2 White. Next is another color option, the Samsung Galaxy Smarttag 2 in white, priced at $18.28. If you like a clean and modern aesthetic, this one could be right up your alley. It shares all the same features as the black version: water resistance, a long battery life, and the ability to activate compatible IoT devices. This can be a game changer for tracking your things seamlessly and intuitively. Plus, it comes with a built-in media item, making it easy to use right out of the box. Given that it also has a 4.4-star rating, it's clearly beloved by many users. That said, some users mention that the white color can get dirty easily, losing that fresh look. But here's the thing, if you're careful with how you use it, this shouldn't be a big issue. Plus, it's stylish and can blend in with any decor. This is perfect for you if you want a sleek tracker that looks good. Skip it if you're concerned about keeping it pristine, as darker colors might be better for you. Now, if you want extra protection for your Smarttag, let's check out our last product. Product number 5, Melia 4-pack holder case. Finally, we have the Melia 4-pack holder case priced at an excellent $5.99. This caught my eye for its budget-friendly price and colorful options: black, white, navy blue, and pink. These cases are made from soft silicone, which is not only skin-friendly but also durable against shocks and scratches. They come with a keychain, making it easy to attach your Smarttag to anything you need. The design ensures that the signal and sound remain unaffected while protecting your Smarttag from external damage. With a fantastic rating of 4.8 stars from 167 reviews, it clearly has its fans. However, a few users pointed out that the materials may not hold up as well with heavy usage. But honestly, if you're looking for an affordable way to keep your Smarttag safe, this is a great option. This is perfect for you if you want a range of colors to match your style and want to keep your Smarttag secure. Skip it if you need something more heavy-duty or premium. We've covered a lot today, but let's wrap up with a quick comparison. So to sum it up, we've got the BIQIRE silicone cases for budget protection, the Samsung Galaxy Smarttag 2 4-pack for comprehensive tracking, the single pack for minimal needs, the stylish white version, and finally, the Melia holder case if you need something colorful and functional. Each has its strengths, so think about what suits your needs best before making a choice.